Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone. SAMSUNG Galaxy A02s. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's on, so we have to turn it off using the power button and the option from the menu. Next, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, because if they're too hard, they'll simply scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to help break down the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy this brush and the diffuser as a set. Allegro, Amazon. And if you don't have access or can't buy one, you can use a toothbrush. Just as I said, make sure the bristles are soft or pleasantly flexible. The bristles. It's not as convenient as this brush, which is rectangular, thin on one side and thicker on the other. But you can still use it and it will get the job done. So once we've turned off the phone, we set it aside to the side so it's more comfortable for us. The bristle area is here, from here to here, between the frame and the glass. First, we make sure to completely saturate the brush using a generous amount of rubbing alcohol. We hold the phone with two fingers and on one side with a single motion in one direction we clean for 10 to 15 times. Apply your consistent strokes in one single direction, then do the same in the other direction, 10 to 15 strokes. It's good to repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, especially if your speaker is a bit dirtier, to clean it thoroughly. As I said, use a steady motion a few times in one direction, because if you alternate back and forth or move to the right, the dirt will just be pushed around inside the speaker holes instead of being removed, and it will remain blocked. And moving in one direction allows us to shift the dirt and then pull it out of the speaker hole. To begin the process, the alcohol effectively softens the stub and grime for us, and then it makes it much easier for us to carefully remove all the dirt from the speaker hole. After the procedure, we set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.